오프닝 갑니다. 너 왜 그래? Okay. It's like a castle, don't you think so? It feels amazing here. But you know what? We are already out of the map. I just turned off the GPS. This one, 5 liters, really? 척 퇴색해드립니다.
Special soju.
What kind of woman do you want to meet?
A woman who is.
네, 카파도키아 도착했습니다. 안탈리아에서는 잘 쉬느라고 영상 하나도 안 찍고 일단 저기 하이킹을 먼저 하려고 저쪽 밸리를 향해서 계곡을 향해서 가고 있고, 여기 물가는 아무래도 휴양지다 보니까 다른 데보다는 조금 더 비싼 거는 느낄 수 있을 것 같아요. 숙소에서 5분 걸어왔는데 이런 것들이 막 보여요. 대만의 예류 지질 공원인가? 네, 그런 데서 보는 거랑 비슷한 느낌인데, 이런 것들을 하늘에서 보기 위해서 벌론을 타는 거죠. 가격은 145유로니까 한 한국 돈으로 20만원 정도 하는 것 같아요. How do you know that?
Your face.
Really? Wow. Wow. Okay.
I'm Korean, my friend.
Yeah, I'm South Korean, but everybody thought
I
that
am
I'm
Korean also.
Ah, really? Nice to meet you, Korean.
Really?
I'm Turkish too. So we are,
But
brothership
I
countries.
lived in Korea.
Oh, really?
Yes, Suwon.
Suwon? How
Suwon.
how long?
How long?
Yeah.
I have house there. I go and.
You have house in Suwon. Why don't you say hi to people in Suwon, please?
Hello everybody. Hello Korean.
Yeah. When people from Suwon come here, then do they get some discount?
Of course.
Oh, really? Wow.
I like Korean. Normally, when they come Korean, I
Yeah.
make the good price. Anytime.
Thank you. Wow, we trust you. So I just came
My
here.
wife's Korean.
Your wife is Korean? Then you're really real Korean. Wow. Sorry, I didn't know that. Because some Turkish say that, yeah, we are, brothership countries. So, okay.
No. My
But
wife-
different reasons. Oh, it was. But since I'm Korean, you suggest. Oh, really? Per day?
If you not per day, 2 hours.
2 hours. Ah, okay,
If you
2 hours.
don't like, if you're not happy, I will give you all money back. I will give you full guarantee.
No, that's too rude. I can't do that. Okay. 수원 사시는 분들 오시면 많은 디스카운트를 해주신다고 약속하셨습니다. 와, 바로 위에도 저런 게 있고, 굳이 멀리 안 나가도 이렇게 다 보여요. 이게 지금 걸어서 5분 거리거든요. 숙소에서, 시티 센터에서. 이렇게 올라가면 오케이. 저런 것들. 아, 근데 다 이렇게 커플로 오니까 여기는 혼자 다니면 좀 약간 외롭긴 하겠다. 내가 뛰어오니까 저 들게 놀라서 도망갔어. 한 바퀴 쑥 둘러봐 드릴게요. 저렇게 저기에 지금 테이블 마운틴처럼, 사우스 아프리카의 테이블 마운틴처럼 있는 그런 산도 있고, 이런 경치. 와우. 지금 저 중에서 저기 하나 구멍 보이는 저기 아마 정교회인데, 저까지 한번 가볼게요. 저기를 내가 들어갈 수 있는지 궁금하니까. 여기 누가 춥다 그랬어? 개뿔 춥기는. Hey, how are you? 여기 누가 춥다 그랬어? 춥기는 개뿔 겁나 더워 죽겠구만. 안탈리아에 비가 오면 여기는 눈 온다고 그러더만 겁나 더운데 지금. 그렇게 바위를 깎아서 만든 그런 교회 안에 들어가면은 이제 교회처럼 이렇게 꾸며져 있는 그런 게 있을 거예요. 에티오피아에서 제가 암골 교회를 들어가 본 적이 있잖아요. 그래서 굳이 갈 필요 없겠지만 제가 한 곳만 찍어서 가보고 돌아가도록 하겠습니다. 저기서 말 타는 체험도 가능하고요. 어우 말똥 냄새. Hi. Can I go into the cave? Can I go inside? Go inside. Thank you. Thank you very much. 오! 너 왜 그래? 너 왜 그래? 진정해. 진정해. 하지마. 그래서 저는 내가 좀 쫄보라 그냥 이런 곳을 허락 안 받고 안 들어가요. 일단 사람이 있으면 무조건 물어보고 가. 왜냐면 이게 허락하지 않는 곳인데 개인 사유지일 수 있는 거잖아. 얼마나 기분 나쁘겠어요, 내 집 맘대로 들어가면. 그래서 여기 지금 허락받고 내가 된다고 했으니까 가서 보고 올게요. 여기 하나 있었어. 보면 여기 안에 이렇게 생겼어요. 나 부르는 줄 알고. 아우 근데 소똥 냄새 너무 심하다. 아우 나는 괜찮은데. 아우 여기를 한번 올라가 볼 거예요. 항상 이런 데는 조심조심 미끄러지지 않는 그런 운동화 신고 오시는 거 추천드리고요. 와우 미쳤다 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 멋있다. 그래서 올라가면 이 동굴 안에는 쓰레기들이 있어요. 아, 이런데 이렇게 쓰레기를 버리고 가면 어떡하니. 아 그럼 안 되죠. 조금 더 올라가 볼게요. 몇 살이나 먹었다고 그죠? 관문을 통과하는 거 보여드릴게요. 쭉 들어가면 오프닝 각이다. 와우 와 진짜 너무 멋있다. 와우 이렇게 찻길로 올라갈 수도 있는데 이렇게 워낙 이쁜 저런 바위 암굴이 많다 보니까 이런 식으로 하이킹 하면서 갈 수 있도록 해놓은 것도 있는 것 같아요. 근데 생각해보니까 지금 12시 반인데 내가 바보같이 지금 아무것도 안 먹고 왔어. 뭔가 지금 막 기운은 넘치는데 뭐라 그러지? 뭔가 막 활기는 넘치는데 에너지가 없다? 뭔 소리지? 아 처지지 않는데 기운이 없는 거야. 뭔 소리인지 모르겠는데 그 이유를 알았어. 아 이게 밤버스 타고 와서 아직까지 아무것도 안 먹어가지고 어가씨 그러니까 그렇지. 뭘 먹었어야지 멍충아. 어떻게 하면 먹는 걸 까먹냐 니는. 미쳤다. 나 지금 아무 생각 안 하고 있었는데 와 배터리 찾다가 내가 지금 생각지도 못했던 과자를 발견했어요. 와 살았다. 역시 죽으란 법은 없어. 와 미쳤네. 땡큐. 나 제가 쉬었다 가야겠어. 과자 하나 먹고 가자. 혼자 오시는 분들도 많네요. 겁나 맛없는데 맛있네. 뭔 소리야. 호스텔에서 봉사활동하는 친구가 같이 가자 그래가지고 그래서 계곡 같이 가기로 했어요. 그래서 다시 돌아가서 만나고 다시 출발을. Hi, Itzel.
I want to help you.
Oh really? I think call.
Okay.
You wanna just say
hi in Korean.
yeah? You wanna say hi to my Korean people here?
Hola.
Hola. Where are you from?
Soy de Mexico. I'm from Mexico.
Yeah. You're from Mexico. You go inside. Okay.
We will make exploration today.
Yeah.
I hope we will spend funny time.
Yeah. Thank you for guiding me. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, we can go and after we can go up.
Yep.
Make white honey. And we
Oh.
can come back. Pigeon. I make it before yesterday. And it's
No.
so nice. We can go make like that.
Wow,
It's
it
okay?
looks like a really long journey. Yeah, but let's try. Let's
Yes,
try.
yes.
Yes.
If
Oh.
we can stop any moment and come back to normal by bus or something.
Oh, there is a bus?
No.
Okay. Do you know anything about Korea?
Not too much.
Not too much. Yes.
You can
just,
tell me.
can you just tell me anything about just anything is okay. You can make mistake.
Just about the island and part North Korea,
Uh-huh.
South Korea.
Uh-huh.
I was listening like South Korea is very rich. I don't know.
South Korean. Okay.
And also I think it's so expensive the life.
Okay.
Just
Wow, look at the scene over there. Woohoo! It's amazing. Wow. Cool. Yeah, so out of the map is good sometimes because of like this scene. Yes. So we can get across there. The same route. Okay. So if you don't have any trouble, then this must be a really good experience. Yeah. Wow. Nice. I'm pretty sure there are not so many people who can watch this scene because no one's gonna come here, no? this is Love Valley. Wow. Oh, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Man, it's okay, it's okay. We don't need it actually. So.
Why you say no? Come on.
Because we don't want to bother you. Please understand us.
Yes, yes.
We just got here, but maybe tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you, bye. They're coming for that.
Yeah.
Better take a horse.
Lovely
message.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah.
Buy this pottery and then write something and wish, make my wish. He usually like for eternal love, right? But I don't believe shit. Oh, this feels like a little extreme. Wow. Whoa, it looks like a little hardcore.
Oh, maybe we can take a picture like that.
Yeah, I'm doing it actually.
Ah!
So we are going off the map once again. Going out of the map, I mean. But this rock, I'm not sure if I can call that rock, but it's like a castle, don't you think so?
Yes.
You see the hole?
Maybe have found.
Yeah, let's go try. They are down, that means we can go down too. Oh my gosh, that's even, whoa. Wow. Careful. Oh, I'm scared. Don't get so close.
Don't worry.
I'm like a daddy sometimes. There.
Yeah, in
Yeah,
this.
yeah.
Yes, for
So
sure.
some local people live there actually.
Oh my god, you take like 100.
Yeah, that's what I usually do. Great service, though.
You cannot go down from here.
I don't think so, but you can, I guess.
Oh, we can go down.
I think there is a way. Really? You can, okay, he can give me a ride? Oh, really? Wow. Wow. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Wow. 해시캐들은 Let's see. Anyways, we got some luck, so we came to the downside of valley and then going up. Okay.
It's not many property.
Yeah. We can slowly see that Love Valley. Valley, I mean. A V is always hard to pronounce it. Yeah, we can see the house that we saw from up there. That's not a house. They sell something. It's like a cafe, I guess. Calip's Cafe. Yeah, you guys want to know how we got here? Unnoticed. Oh. Wow. It feels amazing here. Oh, are you leading us away? Cool, wow. You're coming late? That rock, I don't know what to call it, but the cliff looks like a camel. What do you think? Maybe not. Yeah, but you know what? You're already out of the map. There is no path. There is a gate, rock gate. Oh,
Yes, I'm here.
natural gate. Wow.
I think we need to go in this direction.
Yep.
Okay, I will try to go up. Maybe can you take me a picture?
Yeah, you look like a navigator. So cool. Okay, let's go hardcore. So I just turned off the GPS and then data. Okay. Play mode. Alright, Captain, which way? This way or this way?
This.
This way?
Yes.
Okay, so I'll follow you because without cell phone, I'm just blind.
Okay. You cannot go back easy.
Right, I trust you because you've lost a lot.
Yes. Hold down.
Oh, someone's flying, oh? Yeah, but something's gonna come up anyways. There's a hidden place over there. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. But look at the rock over there. It looks like someone's face, don't you think
Yes,
so?
huh?
I see.
Something like
Wow,
that.
what is that? Oh.
Let's take the map.
아, 저 오지를 빠져나와서 이제 좀 보이는 것 같아요. 아, we just got out from the jungle. Yeah. So we can go straight. So how do you feel now?
Good.
Good?
But I have a little pain in one leg.
Really?
It's nothing serious. I hope. You know, it's just like if I do
Your
this,
knees? Oh.
I don't know exactly
Oh,
inside.
okay. Why don't you take a little break? That castle. Did you just say almost? You're joking, right?
Almost in 5 minutes.
I'm pretty sure no one will come to this way. Yeah, you're having fun, but you got injured on your knee. Thank you. 10 minutes. Yeah. Wow. Wow.
Like
Yeah. Wow.
these people are gone.
Thank you.
This girl is amazing.
This one, yeah. This one's amazing too. Yeah. I was thinking like, what are those poor?
These people is gone.
Maybe it's more than 10 minutes. He just wanted to give us hope.
I told you. Almost.
Yeah.
Almost.
Yeah. Thank you for this experience. Oh yeah, it took so long time. Wow. Ah, finally made it. Wow. Ah. Yeah, hi, merhaba. Woo. Ah. There are not even people up there, up here.
Not many people here.
I can say. Your seat?
This is good place to take a rest.
Oh, that's
You can
amazing.
enjoy the view, right?
We finally made it, and we are having orange juice. And then she gave one of this for as a service. I mean, yeah. teşekkür ederim. 우치사르. Anyways, yeah, nice castle. Oh, so people live here.
Yes, this is the normal.
Yeah, city. Oh, that's cool. It's truly like an old town, huh?
Yes.
Yeah. So on the balloon, of course, we can see, more like a wider view. But I think this is pretty good too. Now I don't think I need to take a balloon. I already seen, many good views. Yeah. So our adventure today is kind of finished, almost. Yeah, perfect. So how much was the bus once again? 10 liras, I guess, per person. 10 liras?
Yeah.
The 10 liras. So from the castle, 10 liras.
5 lira.
5 liras, you want to buy?
This one, 5 liras, really?
I promise. You will see.
Oh, I will come back. My hotel is right here, but
5 lira.
5 euro, 5 lira.
5 lira.
Really? Wow. Why so cheap?
5 liras. Go and bring one for see if it's true.
Yeah, you wanna try? Yes, let's go.
No,
I wanna see what happens.
You try.
Oh, why don't you do it? I didn't have money, but she lends me the money for this, so
Which one you need?
so we're gonna use it together. Which one do you prefer? Just maybe blue one? Can I give you a pinch?
Excuse me, 5 lira. You can buy chocolate.
I know, but thank you for joking, man. Thank you so much. Here you go. 척 퇴색해드림. 대박.
Happy smell.
I love it.
Really?
맥주.
Yeah.
잠깐만. Special soju. Soju and beer.
Put it together.
Mix.
So what do you call?
소맥.
What kind of woman do you want to meet?
A woman who is fun, smart, and down to earth.